on the trail of the earliest people. Tushar's train journey. Tushar was going from Delhi to Chennai for his cousin's wedding. They were traveling by train and he had managed to squeeze into the window seat, his nose glued to the glass pane as he watched trees and houses fly past. His uncle tapped his shoulders and said, "Do you know that trains were first used about 150 years ago? And that people began using buses a few decades later." Tushar wondered, when people couldn't travel quickly from one place to another, did, did they spend their entire lives whenever they were born? Not quite. The earliest people, why were they on the move? We know about people who lived in the subcontinent as early as 2 million years ago. Today we describe them as hunter-gatherers. Names come from the way in which they got their food. Generally, they hunted wild animals, caught fish and birds, gathered fruits, roots, nuts, seeds, leaves, stalks, and eggs. The immense variety of plants in a tropical land like ours meant that plant in the tropical land like ours meant that the gathering plant produce was an extremely important means of obtaining food. None of things was easy to do. ये सब चीज़ें करने के लिए आसान तो नहीं थी. There are several animals that run faster than us. वहाँ पर काफ़ी सारे एनिमल्स होते थे जो अपने से भी ज़्यादा तेज़ दौड़ते थे. Many that were stronger, जो बहुत ताकतवर थे. To hunt animals or catch fish and birds, people need to be alert, quick, and have lots of presence of mind. जानवरों को शिकार करने के लिए, मछली को पकड़ने के लिए, चिड़िया को पकड़ने के लिए लोगों को अलर्ट रहने की होता था और जल्दी रहना होता था और उन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा माइंड की प्रेजेंस होनी होती थी. टू कलेक्ट प्लांट प्रोड्यूस यू नीड टू फाइंड आउट which plants of parts is edible, that is can be eaten, as many can be poisonous. You also need to find out about the season when the fruits ripen. List the skills and knowledges. So today we learned one page on the trail of earliest peoples. Now tomorrow we will learn next page. This page. So today we learned first page and tomorrow we will learn next page. Bye.